Hey saxophones, this is the tutorial for region required scale number 3, which is concert A flat, your F scale. We're doing the second octave, obviously. So I've got my second octave full scales up here. Starts right there on an F above the staff. So thumb, octave key, 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes to G, then A, 1 and 2. B flat, which you can use either bis or 1, 2 in the side key for this one. We've got C, 2 ledger lines up is C, middle finger. Then we go to a higher note, which we've had on some other scales, but that is a D. So above the C, we're going alphabetical order, right? A, B, C, D. And D up there is one palm key. So if I'm on my fingering chart, I'm looking right here, octave key, and the most outside of the palm keys right there. Okay, then the next note is an E natural. Okay, 3 ledger lines up, E natural. We're going to look and see over here what it says for our fingering chart. We've got the octave key, 2 palm keys, and the top side key. So I want this one that I played for the D, that stays down. Then this one also presses, but not this one that's most on the inside. So I've got the octave key plus those 2 palm keys. And then over here on the side, I'm going to lean my hand up like this and use my big knuckle, right there, okay, and hit that key. So I kind of lean that up and it hits on the side, and that's my high E natural. Now, when I go to high F, which is the top note, I'm going to leave all of that down, okay? So the side key stays pressed with the side of with my big knuckle there, and then over here, I'm going to get all 3 of the palm keys. So I've got these 2 down, and then I add this last one, okay, with just the inside of my finger there, probably your middle finger, okay, on that hand. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to play the scale in half notes, going forwards and backwards. And here we go. Okay, starting on F, octave keys, of course, down the entire time. 1, 2, ready. Okay, so play through that a couple times. Make sure you might want to play just through the top 4 notes. Like you could start right here and measure 7 and play from that C up and then back down, or even from the B flat. Just isolate what you need to work on. Okay, and then we'll go to, of course, our pass-off version. Okay, and we see the 2 octaves of the scale. Let's look at number 3. 2 octaves of the scale there. The flat is what needs to carry through, so if you need to mark a flat. And on those super high notes, as you're first learning them, if you need to mark a couple of suggestions or markings for yourself, like you could write P1 for the D, like palm key 1. You could do uh, uh, 2P or P2, and then you could put SK for side key for this high E natural. And then for the high F, you could write 3P plus SK, okay, or something, or you could draw a picture of it. I don't know, but something to keep your mind like fixated on what those notes are so that we can kind of get used to them. Because we don't see those a lot in our music, so it's easy, it's acceptable to put some of that as you're learning the scales. When you do our arpeggio, the top octave, we've got F, A, C, and then we've got the high F, which is everything right up there. It's the highest note that we're going to be playing in middle school. So you just add all those palm keys in the left hand and hit the side key with the right hand, not with your fist. All right, side. Okay, yeah, okay. All right, so here we go. Let's play the scale, the full range version. And here we go. All right, 1, 2. There you have it.